the ankle elevated. Palpate the Achilles tendon rupture site. Then make a 1.5 cm 2 cm transverse incision perpendicular to the Achilles tendon on its surface. Incise the skin, subcutaneous tissue, and Achilles tendon fascial sheath to expose the Achilles tendon stump. Grasp the distal end of the ruptured Achilles tendon with a tendon forceps and pull it out to the incision site. Insert the guide retrogradely to the calcaneal region, with the medial guide arms firmly against both sides of the posterior-superior calcaneal tubercle. Make a small incision along the oblique holes on both sides of the lateral guide arm of the suture guide. Then drill holes in the posterior-superior calcaneal tubercle through the oblique holes of the medial and lateral arms respectively, and insert the suture-equipped anchors. After completion, withdraw the suture guide. The anchor sutures will then be pulled out from the sheath through the medial guide arm. Insert the medial guide arms of the suture guide into the Achilles tendon fascial sheath, positioning the Achilles tendon between the two medial guide arms. Attach the tail of the suture needle to the suture and secure the tail of the suture needle with a thimble holder. Then perform suture threading and stitching in sequence according to the marked order on the suture guide. After completion, withdraw the suture guide from the proximal fascial sheath. The 3 strands of suture are also pulled out from under the skin, passing through the sheath via the medial arm. Flex the ankle joint in plantar flexion and tie and fix the proximal and distal sutures at the incision site. The operative method for tears in the region more than 4 cm above the Achilles tendon insertion is consistent with that of proximal suture. Tie and fix the proximal and distal sutures at the incision site. Then suture the sheath and skin.